Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile avatar or your profile picture on Homescapes application. So if you want to change your profile avatar on Homescapes, then first open your Homescapes game on your mobile device. Once you're logged into your account, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right hand corner. Now in the pop-up, go ahead and tap on Edit Profile. You can then choose from multiple of profile pictures displayed on the screen. Go ahead and select the profile picture that you'd like and tap on the Continue button to change your profile picture. If you want to get your own picture apart from the avatar that are displayed on this page, simply go ahead and tap on Sign in with Facebook and then tap on Continue. Now log into your Facebook account by entering your Facebook account's credentials. After you are done, tap on Continue and then you'll be able to connect Homescapes with Facebook. Soon after you do that, it'll now take your profile picture from your Facebook account and then you can use the profile picture of your Facebook account for Homescapes as well. Simply tap Continue and you'll be able to see your profile picture change. That was how you can easily change your profile picture on Homescape. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.